Hello guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader. I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. As always, I'm trading on one of the best platforms for binary options trading. This is Pocket Option. Now we're setting the chart. Let's choose some indicators. The first one will be Vortex, the second one will be Aaron, the third one will be Keltner channel. Well, so let's set the Keltner channel indicator. So it's done. Okay, now we are ready to proceed further. Our initial deposit is just $10. You can clearly see that price has broken through the upper edge of the Keltner channel. And one moment, I'm trying to send the error. It's not correct. Okay, now it's better. Well, so according to the Aaron indicator, the price is slightly overbought, so that's why we need to open sell position, because we need to have the cool down. Price is overbought, buyers are tired, so that's why we're highly likely to receive the short-term downgoing correction. So that's why I expect the price to drop towards at least the middle line of the Keltner channel. So that's it. That's why we have open sell position here, investing our $10. Now let's just wait, relax, and see what will we have. Okay, so that's it. We have around $19 now in the account. This is a nice result. Honestly, it's too small amount of money, but anyways, this is a nice result. Well, let's proceed further. Okay, so let's check Amazon. Well, so what do we have here? Once again, price has broken through the upper edge of the Keltner channel. Now I have opened buy position because according to the Aaron and according to the Vortex indicators, we are in the buy zone. I'm almost sure that we'll continue growing. So, for example, comparing the previous scenario and the current one, in the previous scenario, both Vortex and Aaron were showing us that the price was overbought and we were in the sell zone. Now, contrary to this situation, both of indicators are telling us that we're in the buy zone and price is highly likely to continue growing. So that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our $19. We have just 20 cents left on the account. Well, so that's it. We have around $31 on the account. One more profitable trade for today. Now let's switch to the next chart. Okay, so what do we have here? You can clearly see that price has broken through the upper edge of the Keltner channel. Now we got back to the channel. Now we're hitting the middle line of the channel. We're trying to hit it, which is the first support line zone. And I have opened sell position expecting the potential breakthrough of the middle line. Why? Because we have already touched it three times. This is the first time when we are trying to break through it. Moreover, previously we had a short-term upgoing correction. We even have broken through the upper edge of the Keltner channel. So now we're highly likely, I think, we have gathered enough of liquidity, enough of power to break through this middle line. And you can clearly see that price is trying to break through it right now. We are trying to do this, and it looks really nice, to be honest. Well, so we have $59 now on the account. This is good. This is nice. Okay, so let's open buy position here. Why did I do so? First of all, because just look at this. We have opened buy position expecting the potential pullback reaction from the bottom line of the Keltner channel. Price has already hit the bottom line of the Keltner channel and tried to break through it 3 times. All 3 times, sellers failed to break through the bottom line, which is support line. Now we are receiving the pullback reaction from it, and price has already tried to hit the middle line of the Keltner channel. However, we failed to do this. Now we're just moving in the consolidation channel. short-term consolidation channel, small one. But I'm quite sure that we will grow. I'm quite sure in this. Anyway, let's see. So we're in the profit. Come on, just stay here, okay? Yes, fine. So this was quite risky trade anyway. We're in the profit. We have around $114. By the way, guys, while I'm trading, don't forget to check description to this video, because here you will find amazing, cool, and splendid link for my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, best analytics and educational materials that will help you to become a professional trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel for free, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day, the scheduled time. So don't waste your time, do this right now. Subscribe to my private TG, link in the description. Well, let's check out the NZD, and here I can clearly see that we have hit the strong resistance line zone. That's it. Now price is receiving the pullback reaction from it. Let's try to open not sell position but buy. Okay, we have invested $114. Why did I do so? First, I have paid attention to the vortex and add-on. According to the vortex, yes, you can clearly see that we have enough of space for the growth. Price is strongly in the buy zone. Add-on the same. So that's why when two indicators are telling you that we're highly likely to break through, so maybe you should listen to them, maybe you should pay attention to them. So I did this, I listened to them, I paid attention to them, and I am quite sure that we will get profit from this trade. Yes, I went all in once again, I invested all my money that I earned today. But $100, what is $100? This is just a nice dinner in the restaurant, nothing else, for one person. Because for me, $100, yes, I would say like some nice meals, some alcohol, yes, this will be nice. Okay, so now we have $219. This is even a party for me, myself. $219, yes, that's a nice party for myself. Okay. Well, so that's it. Let's invest $219. We're moving into the descending channel. And we are touching the highs. We are touching the highs and bottoms of this channel. Now we are going to touch the upper edge of this channel. So that's why I have opened buy position here, expecting the potential touch of the upper edge. And after this, of course, we will get the pullback reactions, but for now, we were just in the middle of this downgoing channel, and we're highly likely, yes, we have already done this. We have touched the upper edge of this downgoing channel. Now we have two options. So the first one, we will break through it and change the direction. We will reverse everything, but we're receiving the pullback reactions from the upper edge. Anyway, we're in the profits, so very nice trade, easy one. Yep, one more profitable trade. We have around $420. So, well, brothers, what next? I think we can open the last position for today, because we have already done it. Nice. Just fuck, I have just realized we had just $10 in the beginning. We have now $410. Oh my goodness, we have 42 times more. Oh shit, we made 42 times more. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. That's so fucking cool. And we will make some more cash. Right now. Oh, $420 just from $10. You know, when you trade, don't pay much attention to this. You just trade, just work and work. Okay, what do we have here? We started receiving the pullback reaction from the bottom line of the counter channel. Now we're trying to break through the middle line of it. We are failing to do this, so that's why let's change our investment to $420. Now open the sell position, because I'm sure that we will not break through this. And just a moment, let's find the best entry point. Yeah, okay, now, well, so it's not the best entry point, to be honest, but Well, that's it. Okay, now let's just relax. We need to touch this support line zone. We need to touch it. Fuck, I could open the better entry point, but anyway, okay, that's nice. So we have opened this sell position, listing $420. We have opened it. Yep. Whoa! $800. Shit, that's crazy, guys. Woo! We had $10 in the beginning. Now we have 800. $800. Oh shit, it's so fucking crazy. Woo! What a nice trading session we had today. Well, brothers, sisters, if you want to have the same kind of result as me, all you need right now is just open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. Don't waste your time. Be with me. Get your cash daily. I am waiting for you. Thank you for the nice time together. I wish you the best and profitable day. See you all and bye-bye.